Introducing Accudemia 7.0 Manage Center Screen. The Administrator's Manage Center screen combines the Who's In, intake system, and manual sign-in, sign-out screens. Here we are going to demonstrate to you how to launch a waiting line. To get started, we're going to sign into our Accudemia account using our ID number and password. Now that we're in, we're going to enable the waiting line tool. Under the Center Attendance drop-down menu on the home screen, select Manage Center. Once inside the Manage Center screen, veer over to the right side and under the Gear tool, select Enable Waiting Line. Now that we have enabled the waiting line, we are ready to go. We can add a student to the waiting line from here by accessing the Quick toolbar and selecting Sign In Station. This will pop up a screen on the right allowing you to enter the student's ID number without leaving the main page. From there, the administrator or student will be able to enter the ID number and then search and select a service, subject area, professor, tutor, whether they should report the visit, and confirm from there. This will allow the student to be added to the waiting line, which you will see once you have successfully added the student. To sign the student in, simply hover over their name and choose the arrow button that will read Sign In Students. A pop-up screen will appear where you can add comments on the student's visit or sign him in using one of the available staff members. If you want to filter by specific groups of students, you can do that in the left toolbar. Sign the student out by checking the box to the left of their name and select the Sign Out option. That's all you need to know to manage the everyday student's activity. Stay tuned for more updates.